Assalamualaikum everyone, it's me Dr. Asma Jabin, a PhD doctor and an academic advisor from UAE. Our today's topic of discussion is scholarship offered by University of Manchester, United Kingdom. University of Manchester is offering scholarship for international students, and that scholarship is offered for PhD students. So specifically students who have got distinction and have good academic career, they will be preferred for this scholarship. So this scholarship will be offered in quite wide range of fields such as biosciences, dentistry, medicine, nursing, ophthalmology, pharmacy, psychology, speech and language therapy. So along with that, computer science, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, aerospace, natural sciences, civil engineering, chemistry, earth sciences, environmental sciences, materials, mathematics, physics, astronomy, business studies, management, arts, languages, education and social sciences are covered. So these are the all fields in which this scholarship is being offered for PhD degree program. So this is annually this scholarship is being offered every year to brilliant students, international brilliant students. So till yet we have discussed the disciplines of the scholarship. So now I will be discussing the benefits of the scholarship. Benefits of the scholarship are that the scholarship will be covering the funding for the tuition fee, and it will also be covering the annual maintenance stipend for the students as per international criteria. And the last thing, it will be covering the access to different international opportunities and events offered by different scientific societies. So after the benefits, what is the eligibility criteria for this scholarship? So students applying for this scholarship should be the international students. So international students from all over the world, they are eligible to apply for this scholarship. Student must have a first class master degree, and that degree should be from an accredited institute, and that institute should be able to provide equivalence according to international standard. So candidate should have a good experience regarding the research and academics. The candidate will also be required to get acceptance letter from the university, and acceptance letter is mandatory for applying for this scholarship. So candidate must be admitted into the PhD program. So this was the all about eligibility criteria. A deadline of this scholarship, last date for application for this scholarship is 25th March, and last is how you can apply for this scholarship. Scholarship application procedure for this scholarship is online. Students can fill the online application form. Link for this application form is given in the description of the YouTube video, and but you can only fill this form when you have the acceptance letter or offer letter from the university. Without acceptance letter or the offer letter, you will not be able to fill the scholarship application form. So first step you will have to do is that you will have to contact different professors from a department in your respective field. For example, if you are from life sciences department, you will be contacting any professor from life sciences which will be working in the same field in which you are working, and you will be getting the acceptance letter from that professor. And after getting the acceptance letter, you should apply for the scholarship application form. And that's all, and thank you so much.